beautiful view to see sunset. But fireworks is on the other side, so it's good timing. There's a cat, guys! Oh my gosh! There's a cat! Oh my god, that's so cute! Oh, I love it! My cat will never come to the beach. You guys see it, right? Hila meow. Oh, Hila wouldn't even try to move. She will just hold on to something. She won't even move. She's not like that. She won't walk around. The only time she will run around is when she's with dogs. No, not with dogs. When she sees birds, she will try to hunt them. But on the beach, she's like, you know, always scared, and she's afraid of water too. Yeah, this is so pretty here. Why you guys look at me? Look at the view. I'll walk on the beach a little bit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, it's kind of like, oh! Okay, I got wet. The wave got me. It's so pretty. I don't mind the wave, I just don't want the sand. That got on me. The sand just stick on my feet. Turn chat around. I like this time of the day. Sunset just got better. The water got on me again. Oh, thank you for the host, JTV. Thank you. Welcome to Kayan Paradise. Welcome. The wave got on me again. I feel like the wave is... Oh my god, I gotta show you guys. See how beautiful is the sky. Maybe I should turn you around. See the color? So pretty. Asian small heart symbol. They did that? Oh. This? I really fancy the sky color. Oh, the cat here again. And should we follow the little kitty? Best with cat view. Alright, well, let's turn around. And the sky. Better angle. Hold on. Better? This way. This way. Trying to control the gimbal. It's hard.